The Caribbean Court of Justice, or the CCJ, was established in 2005 to provide accessible, fair, and efficient justice to the people and states of the region. In establishing the court, the leaders of the Caribbean community were right to express their conviction that the court would have a determinative role in the further development of Caribbean jurisprudence. The court is unique because it functions as two courts in one. In its original or treaty jurisdiction, it protects the rights of countries, businesses, and citizens of CARICOM nations, because it is the only court that has the authority to interpret and apply the revised Treaty of Chaguaramas. CARICOM member states and businesses, individuals, are entitled to approach the court to seek out their rights to freedom of movement, freedom of trade, freedom of services under the CARICOM single market and economy. The court also serves as the final court of appeal for those CARICOM states who wish to use it as such. And currently, 4 of them do so: Barbados, Guyana, Dominica, and Belize. Over the last year, notwithstanding the severe effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on countries, institutions, and people in general, the court was nevertheless able to function effectively using our digital machinery to execute our mandate. In addition to managing and trying the cases brought before us, we also made solid progress on each of the 6 strategic areas we had identified in our 2019 to 2024 strategic plan. Over the last year, in spite of the pandemic, our virtual courtroom provided uninterrupted service to our customers. We held 55 virtual court sittings, and one of the cases coming before us in the original jurisdiction was initiated by a member state of CARICOM, brought against another member state. This was the first time that such an action had been filed, and it demonstrated a growing level of confidence in the court's role as an arbiter of disputes among CARICOM member states. Over the period, we also revised our judicial code of conduct, and we complemented that revision with a regulatory and enforceable framework. We implemented a scheme for monitoring and evaluating our progress in accomplishing our strategic plan. And as the executing agency for the Canadian-funded Jurist project, we supported several justice delivery initiatives across the region. We engaged in a wide range of training initiatives for judges and staff of the court. And through our partnership with bodies such as the Caribbean Association of Judicial Officers, popularly called CAJO, the CCJ Academy for Law, and the Global Judicial Integrity Network, a UN agency of which I'm an advisory board member, we assisted in legal and judicial education programs, not just throughout the region, but also beyond. Of course, while we have made strides in these and other areas, we recognize that there is still more work to be done. And so, over the next judicial year, we will remain responsive and resilient. We shall continue to implement our strategic plan, paying particular regard to developing the mechanisms for more meaningful interaction with our stakeholders, whether through our website or through social media or by other means. The CCJ is your court, the people of the Caribbean, and we believe that all citizens of CARICOM must know how their court works and how what we do impacts on you. As we adjudicate the rights of persons and member states of CARICOM, the CCJ's solemn promise to the region is this: we shall continue, fearlessly as always, to advance the rule of law in the region. We shall always protect the rights of the people, and we shall strengthen the legal framework underpinning the CARICOM single market and economy. We shall do our utmost to live up to our vision to be a model of judicial excellence. Thank you.